Hello there, welcome to another fascinating video of Wisdom Zone. This is Shubhru, and as you have guessed it from the thumbnail, today we are going to discuss 5 advanced English vocabulary. So, if you haven't subscribed to Wisdom Zone, please subscribe to Wisdom Zone. So, without further delay, let's get started. So, the first word we have is industrious. So, this is a very interesting word, isn't that? It is an adjective and it means hardworking. So we often use the term hardworking again and again, so it sounds very boring. So instead of that, we can use the term industrious. So next time in a job interview, when you're talking about your strengths, you can say that I'm an industrious person instead of hardworking. So as you see this example given, he is extremely industrious. So we can use industrious in place of hardworking. Okay. So the next word we have is also quite interesting, as you see on your screen, is unwind. So unwind is a verb. It means to relax, okay, or to distress. As you see here on your screen, it is a verb and it means relax, or you can say distress. So you can use that very commonly in this way, that the new shopping mall is a wonderful place to unwind. Okay, so like this way you can use unwind in place of relax, and it sounds quite good, isn't that? So the next word which we have, then the third is facile. So the pronunciation is facile. Facile is also an adjective and it means easy, right? So as you see on your screen, the example is given. India got a facile victory over England. So that means India got a very easy victory over England. So the fourth word which we have is dubious. It is also an adjective. It means doubtful. As you see on your screen, dubious, the pronunciation is dubious, okay? And it means doubtful. As you see on your screen, it is an adjective again, and it means doubtful or uncertain, right? So you can use that in place of doubtful. As you see, I have given an example that I am quite dubious about the success of our new project, right? So in place of doubtful, or suppose you are uncertain about something, you can use the word dubious, right? That's the fourth word. So at last, let us turn our attention towards the last and the fifth word, which is vulnerable. Let me pronounce it once again. It's vulnerable, and it is an adjective, but it is also used as a noun. So let us see how we can use that as an adjective first. As you see, it means unsafe, okay, or feeling unprotected. There is a danger or any attack. As you see the example given here, the sudden surge of COVID cases makes people feel vulnerable. So I'm using that as an adjective. So we can use the same word, vulnerable, also as a noun. Let me show you. As you see on your screen, I'm giving you an example. The new health scheme aims to benefit the vulnerable. Okay, so here I'm using it as a noun. That means I'm talking about a group of people here, okay, who are maybe feeling unsafe or unprotected, right? And the new health schemes aims to benefit this group. So this is used as a noun. So this word vulnerable, we can use it as an adjective, and we can also use it as a noun, as you see in the second example. Okay, in both ways we can use that as an adjective as well as noun. So that's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you haven't subscribed to Wisdom Zone yet, please do subscribe to Wisdom Zone so that you can get this kind of informative videos on advanced communication and spoken English and various other life skills.